What's up, guys? Just wanted to a little morning workout sesh. Yeah, just want to go over it real quick. So we'll go over what we're doing. Right now we're on leg raises. So this is kind of what I talk about. What I do when I work out. So we've already done 20. Well, we did a run. It was a 0.86 mile run, 20 push-ups, 10 pull-ups. We're about to do some leg raises, 20. And yeah, I just want to show y'all the little circuit real quick. So let's get into it. Let's work out 20 leg raises. Here we go. All right. Good job, good job. Yeah, good. So I've been taking on this circuit, I've been taking a minute break in between, or trying to, just because we're knocking it out. It's going to be a kind of a fast one. Normally I take a 3-minute break in between, and let me wipe you off real quick. Okay, so normally we take a 3-minute break in between, but we're kind of I'm doing the running right now also, so I'm just trying to keep the heart rate up and knock it out. When I do it during the week, I really slow down the exercise. You know, I don't just bust them out. I really slow it down, just really slow and controlled. And yeah, because I'm not doing any kind of running at all. So yeah. But today we're doing our run with the exercise, and it's a kind of a fast workout. So yeah, so we're kind of busting them out real quick, doing the run. Yeah, we're about to do some. We want to do some tricep. We're going to do 20 of these. Oh, there we go. 20 of them. Really good. So we're going to take our minute break and then go for the run. Today we're doing the run, but I've decided on my normal days, I'm going to incorporate 20 squats, or maybe lunges. Maybe I'll do lunges instead of the squats because they're good too. But yeah, I wanted to add that into the body weight exercises, and yeah, I felt like I was like, man, I got to throw in something leg. But yeah, I'll probably do some lunges because yeah, they're really good. But yeah, going to get in this run next. So like I said, I just gotten back into the running, and I'm not trying to go crazy hard. I'm not trying to go crazy hard with it. So I'll take y'all with me on this run. I might stop it, but okay. I'll take you with me on this run. But yeah, right now I'm not trying to go crazy hard. I'm just trying to get my body just warmed up, used to running again. I mean, it hadn't been like a long time, but I don't know, maybe a month, maybe 3 weeks. So, but yeah, for me, I can tell a difference taking a week off. But yeah, just trying to get my body like warmed up to it again, and all my joints, my muscles, just the pounding, used to it like it was. So I'm not starting off crazy running, miles and miles and for a long period of time. I'm just doing a nice, easy pace. So, especially one that I can talk to y'all on, and that for me right now is about a 10-minute mile. So, difference, pretty good difference from what it was before. Yeah. Before I could probably talk about like running, we'll talk and run at like at 8. So, like I said, one reason why I'm not, I like running, but also I got work. He was wanting to do a 5K in April. So, let's see what that's all. Whew. Whew. Okay. That was a 0.92. But yeah, that was a good one. So good on that one. So, want to give ourselves a minute break. We'll give ourselves a minute break and start the push-ups, start the circuit. So, yeah, that was good. We'll go over this real quick, details. So distance was 0.92. Time, it took me 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Average pace was 8:12. Average heart rate 155. But yeah, it was yeah, it was a good one. So I said today we are doing a little something different. We want to do our circuit with our run, get the day started good, and I would like to come back at y'all later with a video on the word. So let's knock this out. It's been a minute. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 20 push-ups. Give ourselves a minute. So, and we'll go to the pull-ups. Pull-ups are the hardest. They man, they'll just like humble you. It's crazy. Well, they humble me for sure. Yeah, they humble me. They've always been difficult. Like on the pull-ups, I just try to get 10 of them. Try to set you up right there. Yeah, I'll be all right. All right, let's get it. In a minute. Oh. Yeah, I can definitely tell. Yeah, like I said, pull-ups hard, but I can definitely tell that I am getting stronger. So, which is awesome. You know, I haven't been just totally dedicated, but that's kind of what I've been doing lately. Is my, this circuit. I try to do it at least a little bit every day. Even if I just do 2 rounds of it or whatever, I try to do a little bit. And probably I might have went for more than a month, but we'll just say around a month where I had like 0 progress, and it was discouraging. Yeah, to go a whole month and not see any progress was super discouraging. And the other day I went to the gym and I was doing, with the row machine and doing my circuit. And when I got to my pull-ups, I knocked out 10 without stopping, because there for a while I was not knocking out 10 and stopping, and I knocked out my 10 and stopped. And didn't stop. And yeah, that was a really good feeling. I was like, wow, finally I'm seeing some progress. Like, dude, it went for a while where I was just weak. And yeah, like I said, it was over over a month, or right around a month, where I didn't see any progress. And some days I was like going back. So that was a really good feeling. So let's knock out these leg raises. It's been well over a minute talking to y'all. So let's get these real quick. And then we'll go back to our dips and just do that over and over again. So that's the circuit. Like I said, sometimes I throw in different things, just to mess around with some, different stuff. But that's the circuit. Just want to show y'all a little bit. It's been a while since I made like a workout video or whatever, but that's kind of what we're doing. Sometimes we switch it up, running, squats, lunges, row machine, just depending on what we're doing it. But for the most part, that's what we stick to. So it's it feels good to get back out here. It's getting close to Christmas, the holidays, Christmas, New Year's, all that good stuff. So I hope everybody needs to be safe, and I hope y'all have a great holiday season and enjoy yourselves, relax, see the family. But we'll come at y'all later with another video. Like I said, I want to get into the word with y'all and maybe talk about a few more things. So we're off for work for a few days, so we'll see what we can get into and see what we can do. I hope y'all have a good one, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace out, guys.